beautiful hot dog-a-thon. A big welcome to all of our competitors, including the legendary Kobayashi. Come on, cheer them on, folks. Cheer for your favorite. Whoa!
Like to win quick? Try the Western, featuring a top prize of $25,000. Just scratch and win.
Woohoo!
Two hot dog, please. Four, please. Six hot dog, please. Eight, please.
There are some things money can't buy. For the quick snack, there's MasterCard Pay Pass.
Part of the job description, being a pro ball player, is you got to get to the park kind of early, get your work in. You're here all day. Then at 7 o'clock, we play a 9-inning game, build up quite an appetite. But after we signed this new guy, what's his name? Kobayashi. Yeah. It's tough to get post-game spread.
Shock it up! Rail Cats win!
What's up, guys? Good game.
You're worse than Will Crowd.
Every night.
Competitive eating is a way of life. Just ask Guinness World Record holder Kobayashi. His training regimen never stops. His fame and fortune depend on his unique ability to consume mass quantities and do it faster than anyone else. You might say he literally eats to live. But when it comes to Hoffman hot dogs, Kobayashi lives to eat. Hoffman hot dogs, America's greatest hot dog since 1879.